In this video, I will show you how you can do the first time setup of the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. Now, after you boot your tablet, you will see the welcome page. From here, just tap on the drop down arrow, and from this list, just select your language. And after that, just tap on OK and tap on Start. Now just select Agree to All and tap on Agree. Select Use Wi-Fi. Now if you want to set up your tablet using your old device, you can do it from here. Just select the type of your old device. Otherwise, you can tap on Setup manually. Now from here, just connect your tablet to your Wi-Fi network. And after you connect your tablet to your Wi-Fi network, then tap on Next. Now if you want to copy your apps and data from your Google account, just tap on Next. Otherwise, you can tap on Don't Copy. And from here, if you want to sign into your Google account, you can do it from here. Otherwise, you can skip this step too. Just tap on Skip and select Skip. If you want to set a lock screen PIN, a password, or a pattern, you can do it from here. And also, you have the option to skip this step. Just select Skip anyway. Now just tap on More and select Accept. Select Accept. Now if you want to sign into your Samsung account, you can do it from here by tapping on email or phone number. Otherwise, you can select Forgot Password or Do Not Have an Account and select Setup Later in Settings. Select Skip and select All. And after that, just tap on Agree, tap on More and select Agree. Now from here, just enter your date of birth, just like that. After you do that, then tap on Done, tap on Next. Now from here, you have the option to select your display mode. You have the option of light mode and dark mode. I will select dark mode, then tap on Next and tap on Done. Now as you can see, this is how you can do the first time setup of your Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. And the steps we have skipped, you can do them later in the settings. For example, you can sign into your Samsung account from here. And also you can sign into your Google account and all the other settings from the Settings app. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.